Hi. In this video, we will learn how to set up our system before running the Solution Manager wizard. In order to integrate SAP Solution Manager with Tosca Commander, you need to have Tosca Commander installed. Tosca Commander offers you the Tosca SAP Solution Manager wizard, which enables you to integrate SAP Solution Manager into Tricentis Tosca and quickly configure the extension. Before you run the Tosca SAP Solution Manager wizard, you have to perform certain actions like adding SAP.NET Connector 3.0 libraries and creating a multi-user workspace. In order to use the Tosca SAP Solution Manager integration, you have to add the SAP NCO.dll and SAP NCO_UTILS.dll files to the Tricentis Tosca installation folder. To do so, you have to complete the following steps. First, download and install SAP.NET Connector 3.0 for both 32-bit and 64-bit system types from the SAP Service Marketplace. You must download and install both the 32-bit and the 64-bit version, regardless of your system type. Make sure that the SAP.NET Connector 3.0 version matches the system requirements for the Tosca SAP Solution Manager integration. This requirement is similar to Tosca Commander requirements, and you can find them on the Tricentis support portal. Here we have Tosca 13.3, and in our system we have already installed SAP.NET Connector 3.0. Next step is to browse the installation directory of the SAP.NET Connector 3.0 and copy the libraries SAP NCO.dll and SAP NCO_UTILS.dll from the 64-bit version to the commander_home directory. We have to create or connect to a multi-user repository which all SAP Solution Manager users can access. This will allow them to check in and check out objects. To set up the multi-user workspace, select the option Project New from the menu and define the repository type. In case you already have an existing repository or want to connect to a database, you are able to connect that here, but we will just use a simple SQLite repository for our example. Define the directory where the workspace should be saved under, enter the name for your workspace, and use the workspace template. Click the OK button to create the workspace. So in summary, in this video we've learned how to set up our system before running the SAP Solution Manager wizard. Thank you for watching.